Hey guys, in this episode of Ansa's Cookbook, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate spread at home. You won't believe how easy it is to make your own chocolate spread, guys. All you need is a blender and 3 ingredients. Let's get started. Firstly, we will dry roast the peanuts. I'm taking half a cup of peanuts. Instead of peanuts, you can also use hazelnuts or almonds. As we dry roast the peanuts, the oils are released and this will help turn them into a creamy spread. Make sure you roast them on a low to medium flame. We don't want to burn the nuts to black, so keep stirring them, and once they are done, remove from the pan and let cool down. Gently rub the nuts with a kitchen towel until the skin comes off. Place the nuts in a blender, blend until finely ground. Once they are ground to fine powder, scrape the sides of the blender and blend it once again until the nut starts to liquefy. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of oil and blend this to a fine paste. Once this turns to a fine paste, we will add remaining ingredients. Add 1 by 8 teaspoon of salt, which is known to enhance the chocolate flavor, half a cup of powdered sugar and 1 by 4 cup of cocoa powder. I am using unsweetened cocoa powder and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Blend this until all the ingredients are well combined, and now we will add 2 tablespoons of oil. Blend to mix evenly and you are done. You can refrigerate the spread in a clean airtight jar for up to 1 month. Like the video if you like it, guys, and give it a try. Let me know your views and suggestions in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe for easy and interesting recipes every day. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.